Hi everyone, Tim the Plane Man here. I've got my Bixler, the Bixinator, and we've got an interesting mission planned for today. Fly around and try and capture some scenery, and I'm just hoping for some really awesome footage. We shall see. No! Oh, the tail came off. That's what happened. There's no tail.
There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was the Belly of Tea. The winds blew hard, her bow dipped down, oh blow me bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum.